Hello everyone, my name is Kapil Tiwari. I have completed my graduation from Delhi University, BSc in Mathematical Science. I have completed my Masters from Vikram University, MSc in Mathematical Science, and I have also completed B.Ed from Vikram University. I have passed some government exam like CTET, MPTET second level, FCAT, Coast Guard, and SSC CGL Pre 2023, SSC GT two times, and I have also gone through a SSB interview once in A3 FSB Gandhinagar. So now let's start. We are talking. So now let's start on the topic. So we are talking about the quadrilateral. So here we are talking about quadrilateral and their properties, types of quadrilateral and their properties. So here, first of all, what is the quadrilateral? Quadrilateral means any figure which has four rigid sides. It must be your it may be your phone, your laptop, your table, anything which has four rigid sides can be a quadrilateral. But there are some of figures which has an exact property. So we are discussing about some of the figures as shown below. So let's talk about the first of all. Let's talk about the parallelogram. Okay. So here is the parallelogram. Okay. Let me take a pencil. Okay, first of all, the properties of parallelogram. This figure is an parallelogram, and the properties of parallelogram are the opposite sides of parallelogram are equal and parallel to each other. This side equal to this side. What does parallel means? The lines which never intersect at any point. They goes parallel at infinity. They never intersect each other. So this is an parallel lines. Okay. Now both the opposite angles are equal. This angle, this angle is equal to this angle. Now and the alternative angle are the sum of the adjacent angle are adjacent angles have some 180 degree. Like this, if this angle is in theta, then this angle is in 180 minus theta. Okay. Diagonal bisects each other. Diagonal means this side equals to this side. Okay, what is diagonal? Diagonal, this line is in diagonal. This line is in diagonal. Okay, so the diagonal bisects each other. This line divide. Okay, this line equals to this line. Okay. Now we are talking about square. Okay, in square, this figure is in square. Okay, so all the properties of parallelogram is applied in square. What is difference between parallelogram and square is that all four sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel to each other. Okay, now all vertices angle are 90 degree and this angle is 90 degree, this angle is 90 degree. Okay, all four vertices are 90 degree and the diagonal bisects each other and जो है उनको जो डिवाइड करते हैं वो भी 90 डिग्री पे, ये जो एंगल होगा ये भी 90 डिग्री होगा. ओके, सो diagonal bisects each other and forms a 90 degree angle. Okay. ओके, डायगोनल जो है वर्टेक्स एंगल को भी बाइसेक्ट करता है और वो 45 डिग्री इक्वल ये एंगल भी 45 डिग्री होगा. ओके, सो ये डायगोनल भी बाइसेक्ट करते हैं एक दूसरे को. ओके, नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट रेक्टेंगल. दिस फिगर इज एन रेक्टेंगल. अपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल. दिस साइड this side equals to this side and this side equals to this side. Okay, and they are parallel to each other, means all properties of parallelogram. And what is different between square and rectangle is that in square all four sides are equal while in rectangle opposite sides are equal. Okay, and vertices angle are 90 degree. Okay, and rectangle diagonal of equal length. The third property is that diagonals equal in length. Both two diagonals are equal in length. Okay, so now we are talking about rhombus. Okay, this shape is a rhombus. All four sides of rhombus is equal, but the difference is that angles vertices opposite vertices angles are equal. Okay, and diagonal bisects vertices angle. this angle equals to this angle. Diagonal bisects the vertex, and diagonal bisects each other at 90 degree also. Okay, so this figure is an rhombus. Now we are talking about trapezium. This figure is in trapezium. Okay, the one only single properties of trapezium is that the opposite one pair of an opposite sides are parallel. What does it mean? That this line, this line goes to this both line goes to infinity. They never intersect each other. But the another pair of line meet at some point. This line, if we extend backward side, then they meet at some single point. Then the only single pair, some single pair of opposite sides are parallel. So what does it mean? That ये जो दोनों लाइन है ये infinity पे जाएगी, ये कभी intersect नहीं होगी. Okay, so this is the only single trapezium. Now we are talking about the kite. ये वही kite है जो हम सकरात पे पतंग उड़ाते हैं. Okay, okay. Adjacent sides are equal. This side is equal to this side, and this side is equal to this side. Only single pair of an adjacent angle are equal. ये एंगल जो है इस एंगल के इक्वल होगा बिल्कुल. ये हाइट वही है जो हम सकरात पे पतंग उड़ाते हैं बच्चों. ओके, डायगोनल सिंगल डायगोनल, ये जो है छोटा जो जिस एंगल पे जो है ना, इसकी जो डायगोनल है इक्वल बाइसेक्ट, जो बड़ा वाला डायगोनल है उनको इक्वल बाइसेक्ट करेगा. ओके, and another property is that diagonal bisects at 90 degree. ये चारों एंगल जो होंगे 90 डिग्री होंगे. So these are the properties of quadrilaterals. Okay, thank you so much.